Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna try. I'm gonna try. I'm in that stage where it's just why, why? What am I doing? What's the point anymore? Changed my philosophy on everything. I think if you directing this to the guys who don't come to the chat room, who don't know exactly what's going on, but thankfully something happened last night to make the future start gapping down. I think it was that because I'm believing that the market's going to go in this range bound area, right? So the gods said, "Hey, wait a second. Wait a second. The market's gone up too many days in a row. Let's come up with something so we can gap the market down and get a little bit of sell off." I don't know. How about the discount rate? Yeah, sure. Let's tell them to raise the discount rate or some shit like that. What's the discount rate? Who the hell knows? It'll send some sort of shiver down the spine of the traders for options expiration. Sure, let's go ahead and do that. The discount rate. So the market was gapping down. The futures were plummeting yesterday at about 4:30, and I'm going to sleep with a, you know how I feel about your large gap downs. I'm excited, ready to get ready for tomorrow. Buying some cues late in the day there, just before the close, because you had to know the market wasn't going to gap down this morning because we're in the midst of what's well, as much as I think the stock market's going to go sideways, there's always the possibility that they were just going to go straight up to Dow 20,000, because we are going to Dow 20,000 by 2012. Everyone's getting on my case about it. Just because we went down for 2 weeks, we're back, right? What did it take? 2 weeks to get back to where we were? Remember when the trade was buy quid 1920, sell quid 22? Now we can officially declare myself as being a stupid fucking prick bastard, okay? Because I'm waiting for the quid, I'm waiting for the sell-off. And I was in this quid for so long getting my ass kicked. So then I buy some more at 18 change, 19, load the boat at 1920. Of course, didn't hold the full lot at 1920, but then we go to 22. Crawl, what an awesome trade. You said buy at 1920 and sell at 22. But then the tragic truth behind it all is I didn't sell a goddamn one of them. Oh yeah, sold a little bit at 22. But I still got 2,000 left, my friend, so it's as if I didn't do shit. Wearing the good luck sweatshirt that I've had in my life for 10 years. And the market's opening up right now. You got to assume Huey Lewis's new sports album, what I'm going to think is going to happen is that the market's going to go down a little bit, and then it's going to go back up, and then it's going to go back down a little bit, and then it'll probably go back up, and then maybe down again, and then probably close right here. So anyway, let's talk about Taser, huh? Taser. Taser is showing you right now why options trading on earnings reports sucks the big one. Because here I was, let me just point out to what I did. I was buying Taser. Guy in my chat room, it wasn't even me. We were all onto the Taser about 3 months ago when this thing broke out. And then it came crashing back down. Looked like it was going to break 6. Then it went back down to 4. Then it turned out to be a really great channeling stock. So we started buying it again in the low 4s. Lo and behold, they had some news. Stock's back over 5. Yippee-ki-yay. We say if it breaks 6, it's going to be good. So we were buying it on that news. I said I'm not going to buy more than 100 shares of this thing. But what I was trying to do is I'm looking long term now. That's my new philosophy. Dow 20,000. You got to look long term. So I'm trying to buy the Taser 750 calls for January 11 at 80 cents. Didn't get any. But the moral of the story is I did buy the 100 shares, and I just sold it pre-market at $7, and the stock haven't even gotten over 7 yet. But what I'm saying is, let's assume that you bought options and you're looking at that stock with a 720 bid this morning. You're thinking those options are going to be awesome. Whatever you got. Next thing you know, stock doesn't open up like that. Blah, blah, blah. Your options premium is getting eaten away, and it sucks. So the moral of what I'm trying to say is if you have the money to play the stock in the size that you were comfortable doing, you might as well just buy the stock. That's what brings me to the AMAT call. The AMAT call was good, yet sucked. I was telling people to buy the AMAT $13 calls at 20 cents for possible double of your money. Now, when you saw the stock going up in the aftermarket at 13.20, 13.30, you're thinking, all right, at least I'm going to get out of these things flat, maybe with a 10-cent pop. 10 cents on a 20-cent option, still not a bad price. But market opens up. By the time the market opens up, AMAT's getting weak. Next thing you know, things opens up below 13 and you lose your money. That's why I tried my best. I sold the comment for you guys at 13.20 after hours, and it still didn't go up above 13. Maybe my superpowers are fading. I don't know, but bottom line is we're never going down, all right? You've been waiting for me to say it again, right? We're never going down. I haven't changed philosophies, all right? I said every bull market goes like this. La 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 la. Oh, scary, scary. La 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 la. Oh, scary, scary. For every down day, we go up 10 days. So now we went down for 2 weeks, right? We had this little choppy, weird, I don't know if we're going up anymore, 2-week period. So now you got to assume that we got a good fucking 20 weeks of straight the fuck up. No trading, of course, because I'm not trading. I'm buying 100 share, 200 share lots now and just getting into the buying more as it pulls back, buying more as it pulls back, and then selling on its recovery, because that's all we're doing. Okay? If anyone says we're getting set up for another crash or a double dip, when the quid break 22 again, wake me up. But from now on, so know what I do is I own, and we could go through the list right now. I'm down to like 9 stocks now. Still own the quid, which is basically short the market, which is just mind-blowing that I still own this. I got the DGI. I got the HURN, okay? Sold the Taser today, $7. We had the A1 coming off those lows. Sold that at 17, sold that at above 18. The stock is now at 17.50. Wait, let me go on with the list. We still own Big S. Looking for a takeover this year. We own it. We're not selling it. We also own Heat at $12.50 a share. I can't get into the list right now. The bottom line is what I'm saying is if you haven't read between the words is that I didn't do anything right, yet I didn't do anything too badly this week. So I guess that's all right. All right, here's what I wanted. Oh, wait, I got people talking. Oh, hoo-ha, hee-ha-ha. All right, see, this is where live television gets screwed up. I should have had this out, ready to go. Let me try it one more time for you. Screw it. Come to the chat room and talk to Ron. Ron's the man now, all right? And I got a new figurehead. You'll see her probably today or tomorrow. Lots of great things happen. Awesome stuff.